Hi guys, totoo pala talaga ang balita na mas mura pag nag-send ka through TapTap Send kesa sa kung gagamit ka ng third-party exchange platforms. Ngayon ko talaga siya na-check, na-convince talaga ako kasi may nilagay akong specific amounts through TapTap Send at saka against sa third-party platforms na to. So, kunwari, mas mataas yung rates nila kasi sa TapTap Send. But, meron naman silang ipapatong na capped 21 dirhams na charges nila. So, at least, by this time, nakasave ako ng 11 dirhams, which is equivalent to 1 tray of eggs or 30 pieces. Imagine, 30 pieces ng eggs. So, use my code, guys, ChandaGR. I will put it also in the link. And download na ng TapTap Send para magamit ninyo to send money to the Philippines. Mas mura siya, guys. Send more, spend less.